Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About s to the power of 5, we can put into s to the power of 4 and ask. This one we can write into s squared to the power of number 2. So now I need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one in here. Then I need to put the power 5 for the both sides to cancel about the root, and we have s squared plus 4. Next, because we still have about s to the power of number 2 in here, so I need to put number 4 go to the left, and we have about u to the power of 5 minus 4 equals to s squared. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. We have 5u to the power of 4 du equal to 2s dx. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. S squared, that is about this one. This one we change by u. S ds we change by 4u to the power of 4 over 2. So I will put 5 over 2 going here. This one is about u to the power of 4 du. This one divided by u. And we have the power 3 in here. Next, we need to expand this one. We have u to the power of 10 minus a u to the power of 5 plus 16. Next, u to the power of 3 multiplied by 16, u to the power of 5 and u to the power of 10. And now we have the final answer. We have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. So we apply this one for this one, and this one. And now we have the final answer. That should be about u to the power of 14 over 14 minus a u to the power of 9 over 9, 16 u to the power of 4 over 4. 16 divided by 4, you got about number 4. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.